Did you know that one forbidden night in 1816 destroyed the greatest poet of his generation? Lord Byron's alleged affair with his half-sister Augusta Lee didn't just scandalize London society, it shattered his mind. When the whispers became roars, Byron fled England forever. But exile couldn't silence the voices in his head. In the shadows of Switzerland, paranoia consumed him. He wrote his darkest verses while isolation ate away at his sanity. Every relationship became poisoned by guilt. Every woman reminded him of what he'd lost. His letters revealed a man drowning in suicidal thoughts, obsessed with death, begging for an end to the torment. The scandal followed him everywhere. So Byron did what broken men do. He sought danger. The Greek War of Independence became his final gamble with fate. At 36, fever claimed him in a foreign land, still haunted by the forbidden love that cost him everything. Some secrets are too heavy for even the strongest minds to carry. Byron's genius couldn't save him from the shadows of his own making.